The fifth one, 4 cards are drawn one by one with replacement from a well shuffled deck of playing cards, and they are asking us to find the probability that at least 3 cards are of diamond. 3 cards are of diamond it says. ठीक है, अब हमें पता है कि 13 cards तो हमारे पास होंगे ही होंगे डायमंड के. That's 13 by 52. The total is 52. 13 by 52 हमारा कितना हो जाएगा? It's 1 by 4 in this case. Q की वैल्यू लाइक फेलियर होगा तो हमें निकालना होता है टोटल में से P माइनस करना होता है. सो 1 में से 1 by 4 गए, दैट्स 3 by 4. And now in this case n is given as 4 cards are being drawn, so that means n is equal to 4. Now we need to find the probability of at least 3 cards. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास क्या इन्वॉल्व होगा? x is equal to 3 would be there. एटलीस्ट 3 कार्ड्स बोला है, इसका मतलब 3 तो होंगे और साथ में हमारे पास क्या हो सकते हैं? 4 भी इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज हाईएस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द नंबर्स आर 4 in this case. So x is equal to 3 find out करेंगे and 4 find out करेंगे. So finding at x is equal to 3 हमारे पास combination बनेगा of 4 and 3, and the other one would be 1 by 4 to the power 3, and the other one would be 3 by 4 to the power 1 in this case. और लास्ट x is equal to 4 वाला combination of 4 and 4 लगेगा, 1 over 4 to the power 4 हो जाएगा, and 3 by 4 to the power 0 would be there. Solving the first one, you would get the answer as 12 by 256 and the other one as 1 by 256. Adding them together, it would result as 13 by 256.